Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to paint a simple, quick and easy Halloween greeting card. So if you don't have time and you're doing all these things during your last minute, you can definitely try this one because this one is very easy and simple to paint. So first we are going to paint a Halloween ghost, and for that you need a lighter shade. Either you can use lighter blue color, lighter green color, or you can also use lighter gray color. So anything but on the lighter side you can have, and you can create a opposite U kind of shape like this and little bit wavy pattern at the base. So this is the basic structure. So let it like this and let it dry for some time, and then with the help of different color we are going to paint different kind of leaves all together. Because I like to do one stroke leaves, so all the leaves are gonna be super simple, so you can mix blue and green together. I'm keeping the color more towards the green side, and then you can have a leaf kind of pattern like this. So you can create a string, and then around that string you can create two strokes, and you can combine those two strokes together to create a one single leaf. So these kind of leaves are pretty simple to paint. You just need little practice around these things. So if you are a beginner, you need to understand how much pressure you are applying into your brush and in which direction you are moving your brush. So these are the two things that you need to remember, and you can paint all kind of leaves easily. So this is the first set of leaf I have created, both the side with the help of blue green kind of color. And now I'm creating a small pumpkin here. So pumpkin shape is pretty simple. For this particular greeting card we are not doing anything fancy. I want to keep it quick and easy, so that's why we are doing all these simple and easy things to paint. So you can start creating sections of pumpkin like these, one after another, and in the center you have a full oval kind of shape. So either you can keep it little bigger, smaller, you can have two set of pumpkin. You can also create some eyes and mouth around the pumpkin area. Those things also you can try, but I'm not doing it. So creating a simple pumpkin and then a small stem with the help of brown color. So this is what we did until now. Now let's create couple of more leaves. So I'm adding more blue into it, little bit of red as well to make it more darker, and then I'm going both the side, and this time I'm keeping the leaf one stroke only and making it little longer, as you can see. So you just need to drag your brush little longer this time to have one single leaf and arranging it in a string. So something like this you will get. Now you can have different composition, you can have your own kind of leaf, own kind of composition, and you can paint many other greeting card like these. So I think it is quite simple, easy and perfect for last minute. So if you are busy doing so many other things and you really want to paint something fun and beautiful for your loved ones, so you can definitely try something like this. Now in between I'm creating couple of more leaves, more on the fine side to make it little bushier, and I think this much is enough, but I need little contrast as well. So I'm going to paint couple of leaves with the help of orange color as well. But let's create the outline for the base of the ghost that we have. So I'm creating some curves like this at the base, and then we are going to make eye and mouth and hand for this particular structure. So with the help of black color, you can use black pen as well, but I am doing it with the help of watercolor itself. You can create two eye like this. So two eye and a small nose, you can make it on the cute side as well. So I am creating a bunny nose here, and then two hands like this. So we roughly did it, making it on the cuter side, And that's all we needed for the ghost. Now just to add little contrast of color, with the help of orange color, I am creating couple of more leaves and making this structure in a round shape so that the ghost is in the center and we have structure around it in a round shape. So you can have more leaves like this. These leaves are pretty simple, nothing fancy, so you can have little longer and sleeker leaves like these. And you can also add these orange leaves in between the green and the blue leaves that we have. And that's all we needed for this particular greeting card. And I hope this video is easy, simple, and quick to follow. And please do let me know if you have any kind of feedback for me. And thank you so much for watching. Happy Halloween to everyone.